When Walmart banned Ronda Rousey's new book, My Fight, Your Fight, in their stores for being too violent, it didn't leave the UFC fighter smiling. Rousey fired back at Walmart with this Instagram post saying, quote, "Success is the best revenge. It's one of the many lessons I've learned from fighting that's helped me fight through life's battles off the mat and outside the octagon. Walmart is welcome to watch the success of this publication from the sidelines if they choose." Now, the store is still selling Rousey's book online, but it's kind of ironic they've deemed the book too violent when Walmart sells firearms at their stores.